be doing the episode. Happy 4th of July. Well, I'm at my pop's house right now. As you can see, my family is over there. Just let me pick up some firecrackers.
Hello, guys.
Hey, look. Hey, Maverick.
What?
Hey, watch where you're putting that, okay? He's the one that's helping me make the videos. Well,
We're about to start, so...
my dad is about to start some of the fireworks, as you can see over there. See? Sorry if it's a bit bright. I also see it's a bit bright as well. Ooh, that's loud as well.
Sorry, the scream is so loud. Just like a screamer.
It's just from the camera. Camera is actually, whatever I'm looking at right now, it's actually pretty nice, but looking at it with the camera, it ain't looking that well, so no, you can't hear me because the fire.
Now stop.
Okay.
But we're going to see some other...
Oh, there's also some fireworks also going over there.
Yeah, so many good spots to get to.
Oh, there's one. Oh, look. Catch them! Okay, that was surprising. That was surprising.
And I am that on.
Well, I'm just going to set that right there. And, yeah. So.
Oh, yeah, and just in case you don't know, I play baseball.
Hey, Olivia.
And that's our little cousin.
Hey, Olivia.
Do you want to see my new kitty?
This is our dog.
Her
name is
and her name is Rosie. And she's not that good as a dog. Hey, come on.
I'm just going to go to the... Oh, that's my hand. Hopefully this will be out next. Just to let you know, sorry, I was able to make a couple of videos a couple days ago, but he's right over there. My dad is right over there. Do you see the bright light? See the bright light? Oh, you see? I might as well get back. Yeah, I'm getting back. Why I wasn't able to is just I had some problems. Whoa! That was intense. Was that intense? Was that intense? That was so intense. I mean, just so intense. Yeah, this is just Black Hawk's house around. Yeah. There's my dad right there in the white shirt. I had to pause very quickly. I'll see you when the fireworks get started. Yeah. Sorry. See ya when the fireworks get started. Well, I don't know if there's going to be anything else. A couple of seconds ago, I just saw something funny, so I'll go up there and show you. Right here.
Now here comes the poop out of his blanket. Hey, who wants to see the bomb? Oh my God!
Oh, that's I don't know what that is. So. Yep, I did not know what that is. That thing almost got me.
Oh, Chad, do you know what that thing that goes like a waistcoat? Yeah, but it's not working. What? Chad, see?
Yeah, this is what the table is like.
Now this one also see. 3, 2, that's how it says 3.
Okay. Oh, well, happy 4th of July and see you.